selling your home in 2025? Well, you've come to the right place. Let's talk about what's happening in the market. Hi, I'm Kathy with the Ask Cathy Marketing Group of Keller Williams. And first things first, interest rates are likely to stay between 6 and 7% this year. But don't worry, here's the good news. Homes in our area are appreciating at 4%. That means your home is still a great investment. Now, if you're selling, it's time to get ready. Homes are staying on the market a bit longer, around 40 days, but inventory is rising. This means more competition. Buyers will have more choices, so your home really needs to shine. Think of it like a beauty contest. Your home's got to wow the buyers. A little fresh paint, maybe some repairs, and you'll be all set to impress. Oh, and buyers, they're going to expect some help with closing costs or buyer fees, so be prepared for that too. Buyers, this is your chance. With more homes to choose from, you have options. But if you wait until rates drop in 2026, the home you love could cost you 4% more. Yikes! It's smarter to buy in 2025. Lock in that price, and if the rates drop later, you can always refinance. So whether you're ready to sell or just thinking about it, we've got the strategy for you. At Ask Cathy, we create a plan that fits your unique needs. And don't worry, we'll guide you every step of the way. Call us now at 816-268-4033 or visit us at askcathy.com to schedule your free, no obligation consultation. Let's get your home listed and sold in 2025.